Welcome to English class. In today's lesson, you will learn where you should not use articles. A, an, and the. No use. In some sentences, we use articles, but in some sentences, we don't use articles. Let's get started today's lesson. Rule number 1. We don't use articles with name and nationality. Let's do some examples. Sentence number 1. Harry is sleeping. In this sentence, Harry is a name. So we did not use article with Harry because Harry is a name. So we don't use article. We can't say a Harry. This is incorrect. Sentence number 2. He is American. American is nationality. So we did not use an American because an American is incorrect. We don't use article with nationality and name. Here's the rule number 1 where you shouldn't use articles. Let's do more examples. Number 1. She is Ronnie. She is Indian. They are Ahmed and Ali. They are Pakistani. Rule number 2. We don't use articles with language and subject. Here's the first example. He speaks Chinese. Chinese is a language, so we can't say he speaks a Chinese. This is incorrect. We don't use articles with language. Example number 2. I teach English. As you can see, English is a subject here, so we did not use article. We can't say I teach an English. That's why we don't use article with language and subjects. More examples. They speak Turkish. We teach math. He is reading Spanish. Rule number 3. We don't use articles with days and months. Name of days and name of months. Example number 1. She is coming in June. In this sentence, June is the name of a month. So we can't say she is coming in a June. That is incorrect. The correct is in June. Second example. I will meet you on Monday. In this sentence, Monday is a day. So we can't say I will meet you on a Monday. So with name of days and months, no articles. Rule number 4. We don't use articles with sports names and games. Example number 1. He loves cricket. Cricket is a sport. So we can't use article here. The correct is he loves cricket. That's it. No article here. Example number 2. He plays video games. We can't use article here with games. Let's do more examples. They play basketball every day. We play chess. She likes to play hopscotch. Now it's time to test your knowledge. It's quiz time. Choose the right sentence. Sentence number 1. Which sentence is correct? I will give you 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct is he is David. Sentence number 2. Which sentence is correct? I will give you 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct is British speak English. Sentence number 3. Which is right? I will give you 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They are coming on Monday. Sentence number 4. Which is right? I will give you 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We play football. I hope you liked this video, watch this lesson and learn where you should use articles in correct way. See you in the next video. Until take care of yourself.